Hi, welcome to ecopenny, where we're saving the earth one tip at a time. This time I'm going to make some green tomato chutney. So I've just picked some green tomatoes from the home veggie patch. So instead of letting them ripen until they're red, I'm going to pick them a bit earlier and use this batch to make some nice delicious chutney. So I've got all our ingredients here for the green tomato chutney. I'll give you the recipe. I've got the chopped green tomatoes, some onion, 1 Granny Smith green apple, sugar, apple cider vinegar, a little bit of corn flour later for thickening. We're going to sterilise the jars later. And I've got some spices here, got some garlic, curry powder, mustard powder, salt. So let's get cooking. So I've got everything in the saucepan now. We're going to boil that for an hour and a half. Stir it quite often too. So I'll put the lid on in a minute too. So we're going to sterilise the jars at 200 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes. So I'm going to put the corn flour paste in. I put a bit more corn flour than they said and used balsamic vinegar because I ran out of apple cider vinegar. So we're almost done here. So that'll just thicken up the mixture a bit. Just going to have the lid off for the last bit and turn the heat up a bit just to thicken it up a bit more. So the chutney's all done now. So the jars have been sterilised in the oven, 200 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes. So all you've got to do is spoon the chutney into each jar. So what you want to do while it's still warm, put the lid on, turn it upside down, and that will seal it. So when that cools down and contracts, the air pressure in there will be lower and the normal air pressure will hold that sealed. So there's a nice collection of green tomato chutney pickle. So the advantage of pickling, if you've got a lot of fruit left over and want to use it up and preserve it, pickling is a great way of preserving excess vegetable produce. So once these have cooled down, you can turn them the other way up, keep them on the shelf. Once you've opened them, store it in the fridge once it's been opened. I hope you enjoyed that bit of pickling. I hope it encourages other people to use up their green tomatoes and make the same thing. So thanks for watching and see you next time.